So hi all, welcome to the market analysis video for Monday. So let's start with Nifty and first see the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, we can see that it has given breakout of 18,900 in this range, and now 19,564. Almost in the last 3 weeks, it has given 1,000 point kind of movement. It has given in Nifty. So I think if you can use here the trend-based retracement, you will find the very important levels for upcoming days. So the level is coming around 19,715, right? So almost kind of 180 to 200 point movement also can possible rally can happen in upcoming days. And if you also see the RSI is in weekly time frame. RSI is just now in 70, so almost the threshold you can see here. It is coming around 80, 79, 80, 82 in this range. So if you also see the RSI, there is also a place for upward movement. The rejection is coming around 19,715. So let me mark that first, 19,715 in this area. And whenever it will come to retest, the first zone will be 19,100 to 19,000, 18,625. These are the very important zones whenever market came to retest. And whenever market shows, of course market will show some profit booking. Whenever it will happen, it will be a very good buying opportunity for sure, right? So when market came here, will take retest and then also can continue its rally. And similarly, let me remove that first in uh, the Fibonacci, and you also can see here also whenever market come for the test, this trend line will also act as a support. Suppose market break these levels, then also market can come to this range, take support, then can move. So you can see the rally is that what I have discussed. It is continuously moving upward. The direction is upward, so don't take any bearish point of view from here. Okay, whenever market come, it will show some profit booking. Of course, it will be a very good buying opportunity for upcoming days. And let's move towards the intraday basis analysis. In intraday basis analysis, the level you have discussed according to the RSI around 19,695 to in this range. So this was our previous resistance zone where market has faced multiple time resistance and given breakout, but you can see that market has closed bit below this previous resistance zone 19,564, and our previous resistance zone is around 19,568. Okay, and and sorry, and also if I see the global market as well, it is showing, so far it is showing 42 points gap up. So let's see what happened. Around market is going to open 19,600 in this area. So whenever in daily time frame also, whenever market open in this area, I think we should wait a bit and see whenever market come here with a strong technical patterns. Whenever market open in this range, come in this area, test the previous rejection though. If it is then can continue its rally, we will take entry with the stop loss of here around 19,520. If you can bury this with the loss, see this is also important, 520. If you can okay, with the bury this loss, go for it. Otherwise, give the stop loss of the previous day closing around 19,564, and go for long. Shift your resell continuously and see what happened around 19,969, 70 in this range. Our max target will be 19,695 to 700 in this range. It will be our max to max target. Okay, and don't go directly into selling. Okay, as the market is showing 42 points gap up so far. Let's see what happened in Monday morning in US, and then it will decide. So whenever market come in below this range, okay, around below 9,568, 550, there are multiple supporters there. Okay, similarly this 525 zone below there, the 500 round number will also can act as a very good support. So for selling, you have to be a little bit more have to be very aware about that there are multiple supports, so market can came here or can take support and then can go for rally. but there is in 15 minutes time frame there is one trend line from where market is taking support. It is a very important zone. Okay, whenever market break this range, you can plan for selling for sure. Okay, with the stop loss of I'm expecting around 19,500 in this range. This zone is very important zone. 19,500. If you see that this zone multiple time resistance this zone has faced, and in a Friday as well you has facing resistance thrice and then giving breakout. So we can plan for selling below this range with a stop loss of, if you are a high risk trader, below 525 range, 525 500 range, you can plan for that. And it will be better if you are option seller, or if you play in the future it will be better, because whenever market go a little bit of reverse, you not will see the decay, premium decay can happen. So it will be better if you play in the future or in the option selling. But for option buyer, I would say don't play in this range. Let market break these levels. Okay, this trend line. Then you can go for for upcoming selling a good target towards below in this range. Below the most important zone will be around 19,350. In this range, it will be a very good support area below this range. And whenever market also can take support to 375 350, we have to look forward as well, but the main important support is 350 in this range. And if 350 also given breakdown, then 520 sorry 19,250, this range also can be tested. And if it is also break this range, this gap also can be tested for upcoming days. Okay, so don't directly jump into trade for selling. Let market break this range and then plan for it. And for buying, what I have said into market, according to the SGX Nifty, market is going to open around 600 in this range. Let market come retest this level and then plan for long with the stop loss of previous day's closing, or 520 will also, you can give stop loss if you can bear that. Otherwise previous day closing is also good. Okay, so this is simple analysis for Nifty. And if we move towards the bank Nifty, let's see the first in the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame you can see that market is coming the previous week. It has made kind of doji with the volume is very high. And similarly this candle also, this week candle also kind of doji kind of pattern candle it has made. So the retest zone, it is almost near to its retail zone around 44,400 to 360 to 400 in this range. That the zone is coming. So let's see what happened. This will work as a very good support area. If the support area break, then 43,600 also will be a very important zone where market can take support. And below that also 42,800 in this range. Everywhere there is a support. So I'm not expecting that much down move, but yes, market can came towards 44,400 to max 43,600 if everything is fine. Okay, and if we move towards the 15 minutes time frame, I will discuss that in the later of this video. That HDFC Bank, in the result, the date is tomorrow, the Monday 17th. So it can decide the bank Nifty move for tomorrow. So we'll also discuss the levels of HDFC as well. So let's see in 15 minutes time frame. One simple trend line you can draw. This trend line, it is acting multiple time resistance zone. Okay, so if market opens 60 point gap up according to SGS Nifty, so here we can expect around 100 points, 100 to 120 points gap up in bank Nifty. So let's see, market has closed around 44,819. 44,819, here somewhere had market has closed. So around, if we take the around 45,000 in this area, it is opening, you can say that in the rejection zone kind of area, it is going to open around 45,000 level. Okay, so let's see what happened tomorrow. Our first priority will be when market should come and retest this range. This is the previous candle, previous day rejection zone. Market can take support from here. And similarly, if you see this trend line, market should take support from here and then can continue its rally to the stop. Our first target will be 45,000 84 in this range, and the second target will be around this area 45,200 to 228. This swing high also can be tested for upcoming days. Okay, so this is simple for analysis for bank nifty for buying, and for selling. This zone also can act as a very good resistance zone. See, market open here, retest in this range, and then continue its rally. But like previously, what was happened? Market came here, take rejection. Market came almost here, take rejection, and the next day, very good gap down opening, and it has continued its rally. Okay, so this pattern also can be followed. You have to be a little bit cautious in this range. You know, very carefully watch in this area. Market whether it is taking support or giving breakdown, so you can play accordingly with the stop loss of 45 to 44,900 in this range. You can get a very good target towards 44,600. uh, this zone will act as very good support, and below 44,600, 44,500 will also give a very good support, and below that 44,407 will also act as a support. Okay, so this is simple analysis. This zone is very crucial. You should mark that and watch carefully in this range what's happening, and then decide your trade, and it will be very helpful for you. So let's move towards the Nifty Finance. First, see the weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, we will find that it has taken rejections, and this week kind of support it has taken. Okay, so the very important support area that is coming around somewhere 19,600 in this range. So let's see whether market can came either. Also this 50% of this candle also can act as a very good support at 19,800 also. So let's see what happened. If it is break 19,800 will act as a very good support, or if 19,800 break the 19,595 60 in this range also, you will act as a very good support. See, market has tested here, you know, face very good rejection, so now this rejection will act as a very good support for upcoming days. And for intraday basis analysis, if we see, so this zone 19,960 to 19,880. Okay, this 100 960 to 880, almost 80 rupees, in this area market is taking support multiple times. So below this range you can plan for selling, uh, but the first hurdle it will face here. If this zone sustain 19,000 8 19,000 19,893, if the zone is not giving very good support, okay, then we can get a very good down towards move around this range around 19,820 here. And let me extend that this trend line for better understanding. See, previous rejection zone, and in the last on I think 12 July also it has taken support here and given very good rally. So let's see what happened in Nifty Finance. In Nifty Finance also, this trend line is acting as a very good support. So, and sorry guys, I have suffering from fever, so my voice is a little bit pitched. So, I hope you'll adjust that. And let's see what happened for tomorrow. And this trend line, like Bank Nifty, this trend line is acting as resistance zone for Nifty as well. So this zone is very important zone. It has a previous rejection zone, multiple times has faced rejected. Okay, on 13th and 14th both day it has faced rejection from this rule. We can plan for buying. You have two choices. If market open in this area, or let market break this range. Okay, retrace that, then plan for further up move. One thing that you can do. Another thing you can do is you can plan whenever market came in this range, then plan for selling with the stop loss of 20,160. Max to max the stop loss you have to bear 20,160 will be stop loss. You can plan for selling as well in Fin Nifty. Okay, here one thing you have to remember that this trend line will act as a very good support zone, can act as a. Okay, so this trend line also can act as a very good support. So you have to be little careful. if also market can break this trend line, you will get a very good uh, target. The first target you can expect at 20,000 level, which is psychological number, and below 20,000. This low also can be tested 19,960 to 920 also can be tested. Let me also mark the 20,000 level, so you can remember that as a very important support. So market can take support from here as well, so you can watch that very carefully. Okay, so this simple analysis will only go for long above the breakout of this range. The target I have not yet decided. The first target at 20,100 in this range. Okay, and the second target will be possible target will be around this area. The zone is around 20,247. Okay, so this is the answers for Nifty Finance. This zone is very important, guys. I am repeating this multiple times, so be careful in this range. Okay, so let's move towards the intraday stocks. And before that, quickly discuss about the HDFC Bank result. If I remove all the drawings and move towards the daily time frame, you can see that before the earnings, before the tomorrow it has earnings, so market has fallen from the top around 17,060 to 16,044, almost, it has, we get a very good correction from the top. And it can possible ki after the earning market can start its rally. It is happening that before result selling and after result buying, or vice versa. Before the result very good buying, and the result came, we are seeing very good selling. If you see the Friday, I think Federal Bank result, Friday and Thursday, Federal Bank result has came out, and before that market has given very good rally. Okay, and then after the result it has given a good breakdown. It is not even its rejection zone. If you see, it's sorry, the rejection zone is coming around 140, in this area. But before the result, this is news based, buying selling is happening. So that's why I'm talking. Before the result it has very good buying, and after the result we saw a very good selling from the top. Okay, and similarly, if you see that in that IndusInd Bank also, it is holding. If you remove the drawings, it is holding at the in the I think in the top. For the result, it has also result in 18. So all the banks are waiting for the result. It can happen before selling, before the result buying, after the result selling. And in the Kotak Bank also, the movement is coming. It is squeezing, the levels are squeezing. So upcoming days, upside or downside, we can expect very good movement in the Kotak Bank also. Similarly, in HDFC Bank, if you see, what is now, I have discussed in the weekly analysis video, so you can watch that for better understanding for upcoming days. But Axis Bank also act as, trading at the support, and it has earning 26 July, so it is also can go give very good move upward, anywhere side. This zone is very important, 948, so it can move upside or downside, very good move. It has potential to give. Similarly, like ICICI Bank, it has also trading at all time high area and make kind of doji kind of patterns. So if it is given breakdown, the rally can continue, and in the or market whether can consider it in this area as in the Friday it has result. So I am expecting that the HDFC Bank, it has shown very good profit booking, and obviously result can, in Federal Bank also, you can see the result is quite more than expectation. Result has come, earning has increased, the revenue has increased, so expecting good result of course in HDFC Bank as well. So you can plan it for buy it in a swing trading. Don't go for options or future, like you can hold future but don't go for the options. Go for future, or in the cash you can buy. So above 1660, wait a bit. I think result will come. I think if it is come after the market hours, then Tuesday you can look forward. Otherwise, if it is the result came, I don't know the time, you can search that. If result come during the market hours in the second half of the market above 1660 above, we can expect a very good rally in HDFC Bank also. 1690 17,000, this range can be tested multiple times, so that we can get a very good target out of this range. So you can watch that see the patterns. I will also, if it is possible, if my health is good, I will also upload that in the community post. You can watch that from there as well, and you can analyze that and you can execute that. It will really help you not only for HDFC Bank, for upcoming result date for other banks as well. Okay, so quickly go to the tradings, intraday tradings. Go to the 15 minutes time frame for Reliance. If you see that this zone is acting as a very good support for Reliance, okay, and if you also see the RSI, that RSI is now in consolidations area. So whenever if you see the breakout of 2758 to 2760 range, market can give both side movement. Above that, market can continue its rally towards 2800 in this range. Otherwise, the good trade will be if market consolidate here sometimes and then given breakdown of 2730 range, then we can expect a very good target around 2680. The first target, and the second target will be this gap. Also can be traded for Reliance for upcoming days. It will be a very good target. If you can see that in 15 minutes time frame, kind of head and shoulder patterns, it is forming, so you can expect very good target if it is given breakdown of this range. Okay, so the next stocks that I'm going to discuss is Bajaj Finance. In Bajaj Finance also, if you see from the 12th of July, it has consolidating. If I mark the level, the zone is coming around here. This zone is, it is consolidating. Bajaj Finance, you can get a very good target upside up in anywhere market given breakout or breakdown. You can expect very good target in Bajaj Finance. Okay, so this is the zone, the breakout area, and this is the breakdown area for Bajaj Finance. Okay, so above this level, 7640, 764076567650. This level can be this showing high. This level can be tested, and after the breakdown of 7400, this range, you can first get target around 7350. This gap can be traded very well, and below that, see, this is the stock like Bajaj Finance. This is very, you will get this target as it is consolidating, so it will not take very much time. You will get a very quick move target, very quick movement. So below that, 7279 will also can be your next target if it is break also this 7347, this range. Okay, and the next stocks I'm going to discuss is M&M. Like Reliance also, it has given breakout and it has tested this support multiple times, and RSI is also at little bit of overselling zone. So there are two possibilities. Market can break say 1560 and continue its rally. It has taken support, or it can bounce from here. Otherwise, whenever market, same analysis like Reliance, market can consolidate here, then given breakdown, then you can get a very good target around 1500 levels. Okay, both side very good opportunity, go for it. Analyze Reliance and M&M, and wherever you find suitable your options, go for it, go for that trade. Okay, and I will also share the result for tomorrow as well. And that's all for this video, guys, and I hope this analysis will help you. You can draw the levels on your chart, analyze that, and execute that. It will also help you, and I will share the result for tomorrow. And best of luck, guys, and have a good day. Bye.